Hello again, welcome to Joe's Home Flavors. Today I'm going to be cooking for you escabeche of sardines. Escabeche is an old, ancient way of preserving fish, and it needs at least two things, which is some sort of fat, which in this case is going to be virgin olive oil, and also some vinegar. Along with those two elements, we're going to add some tomatoes, some peppers. I have all three colors of peppers for aesthetic purposes only. Also some lemon slices, some garlic, some bay leaf, and a little bit of chopped parsley to finish the dish. We're also going to need some seasoning, obviously, and yeah, let's get on with the dish and see how we get along. So I've filleted our sardines and cleaned the bones off, and we're now going to give them a light fry so that we can preserve them and then get on with escabeche. Okay. Today I'm using a little bit of olive oil and also some vegetable oil. You should have it on a low heat because we don't want them to over fry. Okay. We don't need to cook them too long, just a couple of minutes, and we don't even bother to flip them because they are dunked in the fat. Okay. So we're now starting to remove them and set them aside. Okay, now that our fish is ready and fried, we're going to start our escabeche with the onions. Using the same fat allows us to work with the fat that has already been infused with the fish flavor. So, in the overall result, it will show that as well. Now that we have these onions going, we start getting our tomatoes in. Now I'm going to add my peppers. Now I'm going to add the lemon slices. I'm going to season this now. I'm using black pepper, but you can use white pepper if you prefer, or any other kind. And I'm now going to add the vinegar. This is white wine vinegar. It's a little bit more salt. I'm going to add a couple of crushed garlics to the mix, okay? With the skin on. Escabeche is pretty much ready. I'm now going to add it to the sardines. Very carefully. Just pour the whole thing on top of the sardines. Okay. Now it should cool down for a bit, and so that the sardines have the chance also to take in all the flavors of the escabeche. Nonetheless, I'm going to plate a little bit for myself so you can see me tasting it. Here we go. Let's see how this escabeche went and how this tastes. I have a little bit of bread here, so I'm going to find one of those beautiful sardine fillets. And here we have one. And now a little bit of that pepper. This is almost like the Portuguese flag. All three colors, right? It's already smelling delicious. Some of that sauce on my bread, and I'm now ready to try it. So now you can eat this with a knife and fork, or you can just pick up the bread and just bring it to your mouth. I'm going to use knife and fork because I'm an educated person. So here we go. If you could just smell what I'm smelling right now. Let me try that. So good. I've removed most of the sardine bones, but sardine, as you know, it's got some really tiny little bones. But once they have had their time in this sauce, in this escabeche, the bones will pretty much dissolve. So don't worry about it. Just leave it to rest. If you prepare this overnight and put it in the fridge, you will see the next day it's absolutely very, 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 very good, and you can't go wrong. This is one for the books. There's many versions of escabeche again. It is said that it's a Spanish dish, a Spanish tapa. In any case, it goes back a couple of centuries. It's very, very popular because it was one way to preserve fish. So it was more like that than it was of a meal. Today is more of a delicacy, and you can find recipes of escabeche across the globe, all the way to the Indies. Have a go at it. As you can see, apart from the preparing the fish, which could be either you can do it yourself or you can have your fishmonger do it for you, and that can be a bit time consuming. Apart from that, the dish is really, really quick to do, and it will last you for a long time because, like I said, it gets preserved in the with the vinegar and the fat, the olive oil. So yeah, give it a go. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already. And yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.